treadmills have come a long way from their origins as instruments of hard labor. In today's fast-paced world, these trusty machines offer the perfect solution for squeezing in a run without battling the elements or time constraints. Some even find the treadmill more appealing than the great outdoors. So lace up your shoes and join us on a journey through the best treadmills out there. Running towards fitness has never been easier or more convenient. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Sunny Health Fitness SF-T7603, our pick for best budget treadmill. Hey there, frugal fitness enthusiasts! Looking to break a sweat without breaking the bank? Enter the budget-friendly treadmill from Sunny Health Fitness. Now, usually we'd steer clear of this price range faster than a speed demon on an open road. But this model is the exception that flips the script. Sure, Sunny had to cut a few corners to keep the price tag low. The belt is on a diet. The speed tops out at a respectable 9 miles per hour, and you'll need to channel your inner acrobat to adjust the incline. But hey, it's like that friend who always hops in at the last minute for a run. It may not be perfect, but it gets the job done. At walking speeds, this treadmill glides smoothly, and it's a trusty companion for those indoor jogs when going outside is just not in the cards. It may not have the durability of the high-end models, but think of it as a gym membership that won't guilt trip you for not showing up. Treat it well, and it'll stick around longer than the latest fad diet. So if you're looking for a workout buddy that won't drain your wallet but still gets you sweating, give this Sunny Health Fitness treadmill a shot. Who says breaking a sweat can't be fun and frugal? Number 4. Bowflex Treadmill 22, our pick for best heavy-duty treadmill. Ladies and gentlemen, gather around for the tale of the Bowflex Treadmill 22, a fitness marvel that's like the superhero of treadmills, but without the cape. Imagine a running surface so spacious, you could pull off a full-on sprint or practice your moonwalk without hitting the sides. With a top speed of 12 miles per hour, this treadmill is perfect for those leisurely power walks or those sweat-inducing high-intensity intervals that make you question all your life choices up to that point. Now, let's talk tech. The 22-inch HD touchscreen is like having your own personal fitness concierge. Want to explore exotic locales while you sweat it out? Say no more, pal. And those incline controls on the handrails? It's like having mini magic buttons at your fingertips that transport you to sweatier terrains with a simple touch. But wait, there's more. A heart rate armband, a fan to keep you chill like a cucumber, USB charging port, speakers that'll elevate your workout playlist to legendary status, and storage galore for all your workout essentials. It's a fitness paradise, really. The Bowflex Treadmill 22 is your chalice of gains, your golden ticket to sweaty success. So lace up those sneakers, cue the epic music, and get ready to conquer those virtual hills like the champ you are. Let the treadmill adventures begin. Still searching for the perfect treadmill? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Echelon Stride, our pick for best compact treadmill. Ready to dive into the world of cardio but tight on space? Meet the Echelon Stride, the compact wonder that's here to be your silent fitness companion. Slick and stealthy in all black, it's like that ninja friend who silently blends into any room. Our technician practically blinked, and voila! 15 minutes later, it was ready to roll. Designed for the vertically challenged folks, we prefer the term fun-sized, with a slim profile that might make the Bowflex and NordicTrack treadmills a little jelly. This agile runner boasts a 55-inch belt, a 300-pound weight limit, and speed settings to satisfy your need for speed. While it could moonlight as a walking treadmill due to its slender physique, the Echelon Stride surprised us during testing as it handled running with ease. Yes, it's a minimalist at heart. Forget about fancy touchscreens. This treadmill is old-school cool with buttons and LEDs. If you're the tech-savvy type who needs all the bells and whistles, well, this might not be your treadmill soulmate. But hold up, it can sync with your Spotify playlist and fitness apps like a charm. And here's the real game changer. It folds flat like a pro contortionist. slide it under your bed, or prop it against the wall without the usual treadmill space hogging. Because having a treadmill that doubles as a Taylor Swift-worthy space saver, that's a win in our fitness book. Number 2. GoYouth 2-in-1, our pick for best walking pad treadmill. Let me introduce you to the underdesk treadmill that's about to revolutionize your work-from-home game. We crowned this treadmill the best 2-in-1 because simplicity is key. Forget the hassle of assembly. This walking pad waltzes into your life pre-assembled and primed for action. We put it through its paces at our offices, and we're pleasantly surprised by its maneuverability. Compared to the clunky full-size treadmills we usually champion, this little champ is a breeze to move around. Thank goodness for those nifty wheels, huh? Now, don't get your running shoes in a twist. This gem isn't designed for your sprinting aspirations. With a max speed of 6 miles per hour and a compact deck, it's more of a power walking pal than a marathon machine. But hey, when you're juggling work tasks or tuning into virtual meetings, every step counts. It's the perfect way to sneak in some extra movement while you conquer the business world from your standing desk. So join the revolution and let this underdesk dynamo shake up your routine. Who said work and workouts can't coexist? With this treadmill by your side, you'll be striding toward productivity and fitness like a boss. Get ready to walk your way to success. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. NordicTrack Commercial 1750, our pick for best treadmill overall. Hey there, potential fitness enthusiast. Picture yourself on the NordicTrack Commercial 1750. It's like gliding on sunshine. Need to hit top speed in a flash? No problem, it accelerates quicker than you can say healthy lifestyle. And when you want to feel the burn on those inclines, hit that up to 12% grade faster than your treadmill playlist can transition from warm-up to powerhouse mode. Now, let's talk tech. The large color touchscreen is so vibrant, it's practically cheering you on. And the deck? Oh, it's the cushiest thing you'll ever step on. Like doing your cardio on a cloud. Don't worry about stability. This treadmill stays strong underfoot, so feel free to sprint like you're chasing your personal best. And let's not forget about the fan, because who doesn't want a refreshing breeze while breaking a sweat? NordicTrack nailed it with the perfect combo of fan power and placement. Fold it up when you're done crushing those miles, and bam! Extra space to bust out your post-workout victory dance. So, if you're ready to outpace yesterday's goals and sprint towards your best self, the NordicTrack Commercial 1750 is here to make your fitness dreams a reality. Let's hit those speeds and embrace the burn. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best treadmills. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which treadmill you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.